What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Mike's Gourmet Kitchen. We have been gone for a while, but we are back with some epic content. In today's video, we are going to be making some delicious pumpkin fritters, also known in Afrikaans as pompoen cookies. Now, this is a staple in South Africa. It's served with a delicious decadent caramel sauce and some very fluffy dough and pumpkin balls. Now, this is something you can prepare quite simply, and I'm going to show you how to do that today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you do, drop a like down below, comment and subscribe. Let's get cooking. All sorted, now into some boiling water. So 1 cup of flour, Okay, perfect. So with our batter all done, we can have a look here. We've got an excellent consistency. That's what we want. All our lovely goodies are in there. Now let's move on to preparing our oil. We're going to add about 2 to 3 centimeters or 1 inch of oil into a nice shallow pan. And we're going to start adding about tablespoonsful of batter into the oil. Fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes till it's nice and golden brown. Okay, so we're going to do this for the rest of the batch. They're getting there nice and slow. From here on out, we're just going to be making some delicious caramel sauce. Now, this is a recipe that you can do with your family and friends. It's going to be quite quick. I mean, if you make the batter the night before, keep it in the fridge till the next day. You can serve this nice and hot, especially if you've got some cold weather or just want a nice snack. So yeah, let's move on to preparing our caramel sauce. Okay, and now for the final part, we're going to be cheating. So traditionally you'd be melting some sugar with cream, maybe some ginger with cinnamon or anything like that to make a creamy caramel. We are using normal Nestle caramel treat and about 1/4 cup of cream, so about 75 ml of cream right here. That's going to be the quickest. Sugar tends to burn quite easy, so this will be the simplest way to do it, and it's going to be tasting just as good. Let's get to it. Our delicious caramel sauce. And that is the end of the video. Now for the last part, let's go ahead and give these delicious bites a taste. Just look at that. Covered in caramel. Smells sweet, very similar to pancakes. Let's bite. This is not something that you can make up or talk stories about. This is just absolutely delicious. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, drop a like down below, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.
Here for the gossip. Blah, blah.